Hi children, welcome back. Next, question number 5. In this picture, the midpoints of the sides of the large triangle are joined to make a small triangle inside. Calculate the coordinates of the vertices of the large triangle. Here, we have to find the coordinates of the large triangle by using the coordinates of the small triangle. Here, ABC is considered as the large triangle and PQR is the small triangle. We have to find the coordinates of all the three vertices of the large triangle. First of all, we have to consider the parallelogram APQR. Okay, APQR. From this, we have to find the coordinates of A. Here, the coordinates of end vertices of diagonal and the coordinates of third vertex are given. By using all the three coordinates, easily we have to find the coordinates of A. So coordinates of A equal to 4 plus 3 minus 5. Okay, 4 plus 3 minus 5, comma 2 plus 3 minus 4. Okay, and it is equal to 7 minus 5 equal to 2, comma 2 plus 3 5, 5 minus 4 1. So the coordinates of A equal to 2, comma 1. Is it clear for you children? Okay. Next we have to consider the parallelogram PBQR. PBQR. Here we have to find the coordinates of the fourth vertex B by using the coordinates of P, Q and R. Okay, so the coordinates of B is equal to 4 plus 5 minus 3, comma 2 plus 4 minus 3, and it is equal to 6, comma 3. The coordinates of B equal to 6, comma 3. Next we have to consider the parallelogram PQCR. From this we have to find the coordinates of C by using the coordinates of PQR. Okay, so the coordinates of C is equal to 5 plus 3 minus 4, comma 4 plus 3 minus 2, and it is equal to 4, comma 5. Coordinates of C is equal to 4, comma 5. Okay. So the coordinates of the triangle ABC are A equal to 2 1, B equal to 6 3 and C equal to 4 5. Okay. Next we are going to discuss about midpoint of a line. Okay, midpoint of a line. Here A and B are the vertices of the given line. Coordinates of A is equal to x1 y1 and coordinates of B equal to x2 y2. P is a midpoint of AB. We have to find the coordinates of P by using the coordinates of A and B. So coordinates of P is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Okay, x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Coordinates of P is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. For example, here P is the midpoint of AB. We have to find the coordinates of P using the coordinates of A and B, and it is equal to 2 plus 8 by 2, comma 3 plus 5 by 2 and it is equal to 10 by 2 comma 8 by 2 which is equal to 5 comma 4. Coordinates of P is equal to 5 comma 4. Next, we are going to do the exercise questions on page number 217. Question number 1. A circle is drawn with the line joining 2, 3 and 6, 5 as diameter. What are the coordinates of the center of the circle? We have to find the coordinates of the center. Okay, here AB is the diameter. We have to find the coordinates of the center O. We know that O is the midpoint of AB. Okay, O is the midpoint of AB. So coordinates of O is equal to 2 plus 6 by 2 comma 3 plus 5 by 2 which is equal to 8 by 2 comma 8 by 2. It is equal to 4 comma 4. 4 comma 4. The coordinates of O equal to 4 comma 4. Next, question number 2. The coordinates of two opposite vertices of a parallelogram are 4 comma 5 and 1 comma 3. What are the coordinates of the point of intersection of its diagonals? Okay, here A, B, C, D is a parallelogram with opposite vertices 1, 3 and 4, 5. We have to find the point of intersection of its diagonals. Here P is the point of intersection of the diagonals and it is considered as the midpoint of diagonal AC. So coordinates of P is equal to 1 plus 4 by 2 comma 3 plus 5 by 2 and it is equal to 5 by 2 comma 8 by 2 which is equal to 2.5 comma 4. The coordinates of P is equal to 2.5 comma 4. Children, here is an activity for you to do. Try to do this question. That's all for today, children. Thank you.